Now, our user can be on free plan or on the plans that we have specified. In every plan, we can configure quotas like this, and we have seen that in the previous videos as well. And depending on the current quotas and current plan, we can render things conditionally. For example, if user doesn't have access to the plan or a premium feature, we can simply add a if condition in our code base, and we can do it very simply using use current plan hook on front end. If we want to do it on the server side like API, we can also do it with the help of context. You have to wrap your route in with auth required, and in the second parameter, which is context, you can get the current plan of the current user who is making the request. For example, if user is asking to create a image, you can check if user has access to the plan or user has appropriate quotas in his plan. I have added examples in the documentation of this particular concept. So this thing is very useful, and this allows you to develop complex applications and complex pricing methodologies, and you can have your own upgrade buttons wherever you like to. And the best thing is your AI code editor is already aware of it, and you can ask the AI code editor to depend on this use current plan hook in order to render the things conditionally. You can have your feature gates depending on the current plan name or current plan quotas. You can also have usage limits. For example, you can have the maximum number of documents or the maximum number of team members allowed if you have a multi-tenant setup. So this plan-based rendering is very well engineered, and you can use it in your applications if you have access to Indicate.